Are you ready? We're going to inhale up. Exhale, palms down, past your hips. Yeah. Inhale. Try not moving your upper body again. Yeah. Exhale. See, I'm not going to shift my shoulders either. That's it. Again, up, inhale. Exhale. Can we do 2 more? Don't be surprised if you hear a snore. I don't think it's going to be Jimmy. Yes, I'm talking about you. Okay, and let's stay again right here. So turn your thumbs out, and then can you bring your wrist down or your thumbs down? And are you breathing? Okay. Okay. And release. Let's do perfect O's. Put your glasses on. So even the thumb has to be bent. Inhale to open. Stretch your fingers completely. Switch your fingers against your thumb. Good. Again, open, stretch completely. Go with your ring finger. Good. Again, open completely. Pinky against the thumb. And we'll do it again. Okay? So I want perfect O's. The problem is when we have arthritis in the fingers, some joints don't bend anymore. So do what you can. Yeah, I forgot to stretch completely here. There we go. Relax your shoulder, is going to be easier. Yeah. Can we do 1 more time? Yes or no? Yes. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I see you too. And release, rotate again your wrist. Can we do baby squats? So if it's too hard for your knees, you can just lift one leg at a time, okay? So baby squats, you're barely lifting yourself. Keep your knees opened above your ankle. And remember, I want to see baby ones. When we stand, usually he stands too. He thinks we're going for a walk. Okay, 1 more time. Good. And release, march, inhale, exhale, cactus. And again, up, exhale, and again, up, exhale. Can I mix you up? Open, narrow, open, narrow, again, open, narrow. Okay, now look at that. I'm going to keep my arms here, but I'm going to open my legs. Close and reach. And let's switch. Close and reach. Inhale. Exhale. Oh, I lost one already. 4, 3. We should go to the hockey game together. 2, 2, 2. Last one. Good. And release. Rest your arms. You can open your legs as well to stretch or open your inner thighs. So if you're tight, you might feel it in your legs. And while we're here, let's do a sun salutation. Would you like some water? Good. Are you ready? Some of you have big bottles. You don't have the baby bottles like Anne. It's been, give me a break. Let's inhale up. Exhale to cactus. Hands on your thighs. Inhale. Exhale halfway down. So hinge from the hips. And come back to inhale. Exhale. Option 1, you stay right here. Option 2, you touch the earth. Bring your right arm up. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale, open your left. And hands down. Hands on your thighs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale down. Push on your thighs to come back nice and tall. And then shoulders down and back. Again, up to inhale. Exhale, cactus. Hands on your thighs. Inhale. Exhale, halfway down. And again, up. And touch the earth. Inhale, open your right. Exhale down. Inhale, open your left. And hands down. Hands on your thighs. Inhale to come halfway. Exhale down. Inhale all the way up. Shoulders down and back. I'm going to modify it a little. Inhale up. Exhale, swan dive. Forward fold. Inhale, open your left arm up. Exhale down. Inhale, open your right. Exhale down. Inhale, reverse swan dive. Open your wings. Exhale, swan dive. Open your left arm up. Exhale to release. Open your right. And let's go down. Inhale, reverse swan dive. Exhale, swan dive. Inhale up. Listen to your back. If it's too much, you stop. And again, up. And down. Can we do 2 more? Good. Last one, up. Good. And cactus arms. And you're welcome to close your legs as well. Okay, let's keep going with our fingers. So our thighs are our table. So open your fingers in starfish. You're going to close one finger at a time. And then we're going to open one finger at a time. Okay, now you know what you're doing. Can you look straight ahead? She said no. I'm pretty sure you feel your body. Good. Can we do the duck? Even myself, I have a hard time. See, there we go. And then can you close again? I have cramps in my fingers. I'm trying so hard with my left. Okay. Fingers are together. Try again. Oh, this one didn't work. Good. And release. Let's do it one more time. So again, fingers are together. Let's go. Is it hard? Good. Thank you. It's hard. This one is hard for me. So some of you are going to Hawaii. When you go to Hawaii, do you know what you need to do when you see someone? Oh, is it this one? I thought it was this one. Is it this one or is this one? I have feeling it's that. That's it, huh? There we go. Aloha. It is. Chair squats. Again, you do what you can. Listen to your body. Respect your knees. Slowly come up. We can put another chair in front of you as well if you need to. Slowly come down. Yeah, slowly come up. If you need a push, use your thighs. Some of you are pretty strong. You can cross your arms. Good. Contract your glutes. Can I play with you again? Stop. And all the way up, contract your glutes. Slowly come down. Stop. All the way down. You need to respect your knees. Okay? Again, slowly up. Slowly down. Can we go for one more? Okay. And we're going to stay up. Open your arms. Open your legs. Good. Let's go behind your chair in downward facing dog. So listen to your shoulders. Slightly bend your knees. If you have to, if your hamstrings, back of your thighs are too tight. And bend your knees a lot to slowly come back. Close to your chair. Open arms and legs in mountain pose. So again, shoulders down, squeeze towards the back. Good. And release. Let's go on the right side of your chair. Now, if you need support, we can use two chairs as well, each side of you, or you can use your neighbor's chair as well to put one finger, okay? Shoulders down and back. Let's prepare the tree pose. I'm going to open my right knee, and then I'm going to close. Open the right. Yeah. Inhale. Exhale. Try not moving or rotating your hips. Okay, I'm just moving my hip joint. There we go. If you want to make it harder, you're going to rest your foot on your calf and do the same thing. Do you feel the work in the opposite hip? Yeah. Good. And release. March or dance it out. Let's switch to the left. So again, toes on the floor. Open your knee out. Or you can put your foot on the calf as well. Yep. And go for it. How many fingers do you have on your chair? Okay, good. Try not having 10. It's okay to lose your balance. Just put your foot down quick. Grab the chair. One more time. Good. And release and move your hips. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Warrior one, but let's bring the left leg in front and right at the back. Keep your heel down. And you're going to push your left hip back to have your hips square. We're going to bend the front leg. Good. And slowly reach. You're going to need support here because we're going to go sideways. So you can use your 5 fingers. Can you lift the heart? Yeah, there we go. Let's go towards your chair. And I want you to feel a deeper stretch on your hip. Do you feel that? Are you breathing? Yeah. Good. Inhale up. Exhale, bring your arm again down to release your shoulder. Good. And push forward and march right away. Good. Same thing. This time, right leg in front. Push your left hip back. No, my left, your right. Bend your front knee. Slowly reach. Yeah. Try to sit down a tiny bit more. Are you ready? Good. Feel the difference between both hips. There's always one tighter. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your arm by your side. Or both. Sure, why not? Slowly have support, push forward to march. We're going to go back to downward facing dog. This time, please walk your dog. So press one heel at a time. Again, listen to your shoulders. Can we hold? Can you bend only one leg? And feel the stretch behind the straight leg. Bend both knees to release. And then let's switch. Keep breathing. And again, bend both knees and walk closer to your chair. Nice and tall. In mountain pose, open the legs. Good.